Theodora, and we say that this is the index number, and then the level we say is level 400 students, and the semester we are dealing with second semester. Okay, so let's see if we could retrieve the result. So when you click here, yeah, now look at the result here. Okay, so result is here. System built to host student results and their certificate. Okay, so let me walk you through. Now this project can help you. Maybe you are online um, education, maybe you are teaching online or stuff, or you are a school want to allow students to either view, download their CA, or check their result, okay, or view their certificate. Okay, this system is good for you. So this is the home page. Okay, it's just good this way. You can check off the URL. Now, when you go to about us, this how it's looking. It might not be good, but I think if I share the source code, you can change it to your own perspective. And this is the contact side of it. Okay, and then this is the result side where student can actually input their index number, their name, level, and then semester. Then they can retrieve that. Then you have the certificate aspect where they can what, download their certificate as well. But first of all, let's check in the admin side. Okay, so let's log in with our details. Okay, so we have admin, and let's put in our password and see what we got at admin side. Now this is the admin side. I have some uh, previous details in. Okay, so it is just cool like this. Now, first of all, you can add or upload student information. Okay, here you can equally, so uploading student information, you have the index number, their name, and then the course. Okay, and we can give them, let me close this. Okay, so now after the course, the year of completion. Okay, this for the certificate aspect. Then you can upload the certificate. So let's see example. Okay, let me try and put in some name. Let me use my best friend. Let's say Theodora. Okay. Um, yeah. I don't know what am I be writing. Okay, yeah, Theodora. Okay. The name is So Bojo. This will keep me down. I'm spelling her name. So I think this, yes, it will be very bad if you forget your best friend name. So that's the name I'm giving. Oh, instead of name, instead of index number, yeah. So let me cut the name and rather paste it here. Okay. So to the Asogbojo index number, I can say which number should we use? Let's say 2021. We are using 2233. Okay, 2021 2233. Now let's choose a course. Probably it can be, maybe let's use business. Okay, target like money too much. So let me give a business. So let me maintain the year, maybe 2025 or yeah 2025. Now let's upload PDF, or let's say the certificate. Currently I don't have any certificate for this girl. So let me just cook in some. Let me see if I will get some PDF I have here. Okay, so maybe this is quite good. Let me take this. Okay. All right, so I've uploaded. You can see this is answers, answers and explanation. Oh God, but let's manage. So apparently you could see the names here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's add here and see if should be recorded. Okay, so when we come here, she's added down here, which is what, Theodora Sogbojo. Okay, business, and then the year of completion is this. Are you getting it? Now we are saying that. Okay, I can choose. Let me delete the rest. Okay, let me delete. Let me delete this. So let's just continue. I don't want to waste time. So I've added the indices here. Let's see we can um here we are seeing that input results. Okay, let's see how best we can input result. Okay, so we are going with the same name. Okay, Theodora, and I think the index number was 2021. Yeah, this is 2021 and this. And then currently, well, she's a level 400 student, so let's manage that. Okay, so the semester has to be last, which is second semester has to be last semester, and the course, I guess, is business. Okay, course code, I can say JBB. Okay, because business course, let me manage. The grade, you let me give us some B plus. Okay, so let me submit this again. Okay, so we have actually include her in the business. So let's give us another one, okay, because we want to retrieve a result in certain. So you are saying 21 again, the same index number and the same name, Theodora Sobojo. This time around, we are choosing different course. Let's pick computer science and let's maintain the year. No, sorry, this is actually a distance. So the name again is what? Theodora. The index number is 2021, right? Okay. Now I want to give it another. I think this time around we are maintaining level 400 again, and we are maintaining second semester again. But this time around we are choosing different course. Okay, let's say computer science, right? And the course code probably can be JBS. So because it's computer science, and this time around I'll give it A. Okay, let me give it A. Now let's take notes. Okay, yeah, let's add another more. Let's add another more so that it will just look good. Okay, so let's go. The name again, index number 2021, right? And level 400. I wanted to get some quite a huge result, second semester. And then the course name, this time around, let's pick engineering. Okay, so I'll give something like JBE, okay, for engineering. And the grade, yeah, let me give A again. Okay, so I don't want this guy to kill me. So apparently, these are the details we have. Okay, all right. These are the details we have. So when you go back to our database, let's see if we can have that. Let me show you something. Okay, I can choose. I can choose to actually um make you see the users on the page, but I didn't add that section yet. All right. So I think our database is delaying. Let's check the result side rather. Okay. Let's check the result side. So where is the result? Okay. So it's loading. So you could see these are the results, and this is the Theodora lady here. You could see Theodora and level 400 again. Okay. So we are going to retrieve these results. So let's get back to our portal here. Okay. So let's go to result and let's see if we can retrieve this. So the name actually is for Theodora, and we say that this is the index number, and then the level we say is level 400 student, and the semester we are dealing with second semester. Okay. So let's see if we could retrieve the result. So when you click here, yeah, now look at the result here. Okay, so result is here. Now the most interesting thing again is that she can download the result in PDF. So when I hit here download, it's actually downloaded, and this is showing here. So let's view it and see how it looks. Okay, so this is the result. Okay, so this can be like CA or normal result that you can actually allow your students to have based on their details. Now let's go to the dashboard. Okay. Now, one interesting thing, that instead of inputting them one by one, you can actually what? Import them. Okay. So when you come to import student record here, okay, you just have to put the thing in Excel form. Okay, Excel format, something like yeah, exam this. Okay. So you do it. You can actually import that. You just type the student's name, index number, and then the grade, the course, like just those formats. Okay, in the Excel, all of them. Then you can just import it one instead of doing one by one. So let's come back to uh, the result again. We can import result as well. All right. So let's go to here where we can actually upload. I think we already gave her that. Let me get it. We already give her um let's go to the download statistic. Yes, we have already given Theodora here um a certificate to download. So here admin can download it and send it to her, or we'll go there and allow her to download. So if Theodora come to the page, okay, probably let me go to the certificate side. Okay, so this is how it is. Now if Theodora comes here, the next thing she has to do is input the index number and then the name. Okay, so I'm putting in her name. Now the course that we give her for the certificate, let's say the person complete and we say, oh, it's a business student, so apparently we give her business. So I'm going there and I'm choosing one, the course which is what, business. Okay, now which year? Okay, when we notice in the dashboard, the year is 2025. So let's go there and we'll maintain our 2025 and let's click on what? Retrieve. Okay. After we click on retrieve, look at something. Now this is just some normal PDF I use. But if this is the certificate that we are giving here, As soon as she input in the details, she'll be able to have all this. So this is a certificate here. The interesting thing is that she can click here to download, okay, or she can go to the down here and hit download. Okay, now it's here, and you can click there and see well. So this is just a mass thing that I put here. So imagine it's a certificate, she got it. All right, that's interesting. So let's go to the admin side. Okay, then we see how things goes. So that is it. Okay, we are saying that admin can equally download it. Okay, for so this is the admin downloading, and it's equally here for here to get. So one interesting thing you have to know is that when she downloaded it, it was Mark 1 that she downloaded it from. So admin got to know that this particular person downloaded the result. Okay, so anytime she complains she was not the one, maybe you can find out who actually used her credentials to do that. Okay, so that's all about this system. I would love to share. Okay, so the certificate again, you can import them in numbers. So instead of typing one, you can import. Okay, so I'd love to share the source code. I'll put the link in the description. Okay, you just have to draw some small coins that you dash you. So thank you. Please, if you like things like this, kindly subscribe and help me grow so that I'll start giving free source code.